Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unrestricted someone on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, scroll down, tap on Messenger. Okay, click on menu option, click on settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and safety. Okay, scroll down, tap on restricted accounts. Okay, this person restricted, and tap on unrestrict. Just click to unrestrict someone on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.